Hi, friends. Today we will complete topic 6.4. Daniel counts 4 drums in a parade. Then he sees one more drum. What numbers do you add to find how many drums he sees in all? How can you show the adding? So let's take a look here. And let's use some chips. So he sees 4 drums. 1, 2, 3, 4. In a parade, and then he sees one more. So he sees 4 and one more is how many in all? So we can add them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 5. So he had 4 in the first group. And 1 in the second. So let's take a look at this page. So we had 2 drums and 6 more is 8. So 2, and we're going to use the plus sign to mean and, 6 equal, and we're going to count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 8. All right, let's look over here. We have some other drums. We have one group and another. So in the first group, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in all. So let's take a look. We have 2, so we're going to write the number 2. Oh, musical instruments here. So we have 2 flutes, 1, 2, and what sign do we use for and? Plus. And then we have 4 in the second group of flutes. What sign do we use for is? Equal. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 and 4 is 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. All right, let's take a look at guitars. In our first group, we have 4, and in the next group, we have 4. We're going to use the plus sign for and, put another 4 for the second group, and what sign do we use for is? Equals. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 more, 5, 6, 7, 8 equals 8. 4 plus 6 equals 8. Okay, trumpets. In our first group of trumpets, we have 6. We're going to use the plus sign for and then the second group there's 1. What sign do we use for is? Equals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 more is the number 7. 6 and 1 equals 7. Let's take a look at the next. In our first group of drums, we have 3 and. What group do we use for what sign do we use for and? And then we have 4. And what sign do we use for is? So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 and 4 is 7. And next, more musical instruments. So we have 2 groups. In our first group, we have 8. And what sign are we using for and? The plus sign. And the next group, we have 2. What sign are we using for is? So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. All right, in the next group over here, we have 5. And what sign do we use for and? Plus. 4 equals, that's what we use for is. All together, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 and 5 equals 9. All right, let's take a look at flutes again. In our first group, we have 3. What sign do we use for the word and? In the next group, we have 4. What sign do we use for is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we counted them all together, 3 and 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, number 10 in the end here. We have to draw 2 groups that if we added together, we would get the answer 7. So we have to draw some in one area and some in the other. So Mrs. Shimmy is just going to start with 4 dots. So let's put a number 4. And then I'm going to put a plus. 4 plus how many dots would I add to this box to equal 7? So let's count on from 4. 5, 6, 7. So all together, let's count our dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many did we put in the second box? 4 plus 3 equals 7.